This is Knauf.com, not only a website, but the website. In fact, one for all. Knauf.com is the heart of our digital and commercial transformation at Knauf, a global platform for all Knauf customers, designed to bring together all our expertise and streamline your access to our industry-leading products and solutions. Anytime, anywhere. With our cross-divisional product catalogue and download centre, we provide access to all Knauf products, documents, applications and services in one place. We simplify your day-to-day tasks by effortlessly providing you with everything you need, based on your specific requirements, right down to the last detail. With My Knauf, we offer one exclusive access for all our customers. Intelligent software and services support you with end-to-end solutions throughout the construction value chain, enabling you to stay always up to date. From finding the right Knauf system to managing orders, tracking deliveries and calculating projects, we help you grow your business smarter. This is just the beginning. Our transformation will further enable us to provide you with a consistently expanding range of offerings and the innovation you have come to expect from us. We're there for you every step of the way, helping you to focus on what matters most, your business.